Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and see your Apple ID password on your iPhone. I can explain it in very easy way. So let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on my iPhone. I'll be showing you multiple methods to find and see your Apple ID password. Let's get started with the first method. For this first method, open up your Settings app. Scroll down until you see the option for passwords. Tap on Passwords. Your device may have saved your Apple ID password before when you signed in using it. You'll need to scan your Face ID or use your fingerprint to access your saved passwords. Once you're in, use the search function at the top to search for Apple. This will help you find if your Apple ID password has been saved. Now, let's move on to the second method. This involves checking other password managers, such as those in web browsers like Google Chrome. Open up a Google app, like the Google app, Gmail, or Chrome. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. If you're not already signed in, sign in now. Then, tap on Manage your Google account. Next, tap on the magnifying glass icon to search. Search for password. This will take you to Google's Password Manager where you might find your Apple ID password saved. This is my password. If you still can't find your password, the next step is to reset your Apple ID password. It's easier than you might think. Let me show you how. Open up the Settings app again. Scroll to the top and tap on your Apple ID. Then tap on Sign-in and Security. Here, tap on Change Password. You'll need to enter your iPhone passcode. On the next page, you can enter a new password for your Apple ID. This way, you'll essentially reset and find your password because you're creating a new one. After 60 minutes, now you change password after 60 minutes. You can also do this on the Apple website. Open any web browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID to get started and follow the steps to reset your password. This method ensures you can access your Apple ID with a new password. Now you have successfully seen your password. This is the way to find your password without knowing the password. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial useful, please go down below and leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Peace. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.